Facing your destiny. Embrace your future with courage. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we have an intriguing topic to explore: facing one's destiny. This phrase is rich in meaning and often appears in stories, movies, and everyday conversations. It's about meeting the future head-on, especially when that future is inevitable or out of our control. Let's dive into what it really means to face one's destiny and how you can use this expression in your own conversations. We hope this video will enlighten and inspire you. Facing one's destiny involves a deep understanding of destiny itself. Destiny can be seen as a predetermined course of events or a future that seems fixed and unchangeable. When someone decides to face their destiny, it implies a sense of acceptance and readiness to deal with whatever the future holds. This phrase evokes images of courage, determination, and sometimes, resignation to fate. It's about acknowledging that some things in life are beyond our control, yet choosing to meet them with bravery rather than fear. Throughout literature and pop culture, characters who face their destinies often become heroes and role models. For example, in classic tales, protagonists might learn of prophecies or predictions about their futures. Instead of running away or denying their fate, they prepare themselves to confront it. This theme is common in epic stories and movies, where the journey to face one's destiny is filled with challenges, growth, and ultimately, fulfillment. These stories inspire us by showing that facing our destiny is not just about accepting fate, but about growing and finding our place in the world. You might use this phrase when talking about big life decisions, career changes, or significant personal challenges. For example, after years of avoiding his responsibilities, he's finally ready to face his destiny and take over the family business. She knew the risks involved in following her dreams, but she was determined to face her destiny. This expression is powerful and should be used in contexts that convey a sense of seriousness and profound decision-making. It's not typically used for everyday decisions but rather for those moments that feel like turning points in life's journey. Facing one's destiny is about more than just confronting what the future holds. It's about embracing the journey with courage, wisdom, and an open heart. Whether in tales of old or in our modern lives, the act of facing our destiny teaches us about resilience, growth, and the human spirit. We hope this exploration has given you a deeper understanding of the phrase and how it can apply to your life and conversations. Thank you for joining us, and remember, no matter what destiny has in store for you, facing it with bravery can lead to the most rewarding paths. See you in our next video.